What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to add reviews to your products on Shopify. First, decide whether you want to use a third-party app or Shopify's built-in product reviews app. To install an app, go to the Shopify App Store, search for a review app, and follow the installation instructions. If you prefer Shopify's product reviews app, it's already available in your Shopify admin. Now configure the settings for your reviews. You can set approval preferences, automatic or manual, customize review forms, and enable notifications for new reviews. Navigate to products in your Shopify admin and select the product you want to add reviews to. Scroll down to the reviews section or tab, depending on your theme or app setup. For Shopify's product reviews app, you can manage reviews directly within the app. For third-party apps, follow the app's instruction to manage reviews, including moderation and display settings. Once reviews are submitted and approved, they will appear on your product pages. Customers can now see and contribute reviews to help build trust and encourage sales. And there you have it. You've successfully added reviews to your Shopify store. Reviews can enhance credibility and help potential customers to make an informed decision when purchasing. If you have any questions, Shopify support and the app developers are available to assist. Happy selling! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.